everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an American taste test. And then I'm going to be rating them out of 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the best. I know, like, some people may like these, some people don't. So, like, if I say that I don't like it, I don't want people to get, like, all offended and stuff. Because I'm not offending you, it's just what I think about it. So, let's get started. So we're going to start with Cheetos. They are, don't know why I folded them over. Cheetos crunchy and they're in cheese flavour. They are really orange. Really good. I'd rate that a 9.99 out of 10. I'm just joking. I'd rate them 10 out of 10. And then with the stuff, I'm just gonna wash it down with KA sparkling black grape flavoured drink. It's really good. So, next thing I'm going to try is birthday cake mnms. See the mnms holding a birthday cake, and he has a little pie hat on. So they're like twice the size of the ones we get in the UK. So tastes like a regular M&M. Just a bit stronger in chocolate. I'll show you inside. They just look like a normal M&M too. I'd give them 8 out of 10. They're good, but they're not great either. Like, yeah. I don't know what I'm saying, so. Next I'm going to try an O. Henry. It's 2 peanutty caramel fudge bars in chocolate, so. Tastes like a Reese's nut bar.